Removing and installing the door leaf. Note: when removing the door leaf, there must always be at least 2 people present. Ensure that the lock is in daytime locking mode. Unattach possible door closers and stoppers from the door leaf. Pull up any blinds and remove the adjustment bars. Open the door leaf to a 90-degree angle relative to the frame. Lift the door leaf straight upwards. If space is limited, remove the hinges from the door leaf. Open the door leaf to a 90-degree angle and support it against the floor. Make sure the door leaf is held by an assistant and remove the hinge screws on the door leaf side. Pry the hinges off the door leaf. If possible, leave the bottom hinge in place. This will make installing the new door leaf easier. Attach the new door leaf in the reverse order. Close the new door leaf slowly, ensuring it fits the frame on all sides.